There are two ways you can get to Mango Bay. The easy one, you take a taxi boat from Siri Beach, and then there's the stupid way, you hike to Mango Bay. Now guess, which way did I choose?
Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older, go find a place.
I'm going from the north side, I don't know why, just because I can. I think it might be just a little bit shorter as well. Mango Bay is one of the more remote beaches here on Koh Tao, but it's really nice. It's definitely worth a visit. They're probably building the road to that resort that I found last time. More hills. I think the elevation here is like 300 meters, which is like 1,000 feet. Because I started almost at sea level, and now the Mango Viewpoint is of like 350 meters. So don't do this at home. So far I haven't seen any animals. I think the biggest animal in this jungle is me. Oh no, obstacles. So yeah, this is where I came out last time. What's the time? How long am I doing this? 10 minutes past 3. It took me 50 minutes to get from down there to here when I was lost last time. I have no idea what's making that sound, and I don't want to find out.
And come back when you're older.
I've been walking for an hour now. Where is anything? I only brought like one bowl of water with me. Looks like a house. Probably someone's living here. There's Summit Viewpoint over there, which I may check out on my way back. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Alright, so I just got to Jim's bar. I know where I am, and I know where Mango Bay is and how to roughly get there. I didn't find my way to Mango Bay. I knew the way. It's just past Jim's bar. If you turn right at Jim's bar, there should have been a jungle path to Mango Bay. I know this because I already done it once, a year and a half ago. The problem is the path probably overgrown, and I couldn't find the actual path. So I came back here to the Summit Viewpoint, and this is a damn nice viewpoint. I just wish it was less windy and more sunny, because look.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your big.
I'm 343 meters above sea level, and it's fucking windy. So I wandered for 2.5 hours, I covered 9 kilometers, and this was a 300 meter elevation change. There's actually like 5 viewpoints. There's actually 5 viewpoints around here. Oh fuck, it's windy. Gotta get off this rock. Alright, so there's actually 5 viewpoints, and I found a couple of resorts that I didn't know about. I'm gonna head back because it's gonna start to rain soon. I got about an hour and a half of daylight left, and it's gonna be at least an hour walk back. Alright, I'm safe. Alright, this is it for today.